Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transitions in CapCut PC. We know it's easy to add transition in CapCut using our phone, but with PC it's different. Today I'm going to show you a simple process to do that. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut in your PC. Now create a new project or edit your existing project. Here, I'll go with my existing project. Now, I have taken the liberty of adding videos in my timeline. So if you have not, simply import your videos from import section to your timeline. Now, to the point, since we want to add transitions, simply choose a point where you want to add transitions. Basically, we can add transition between clips. So choose a point in between the clips where you want to add transitions. For example, I want to add a transition here. So take the play hit there and simply go to transition option here. And now choose the transition that you want to add. For example, I want to add mixed transition right here. Since our clips are too small, we can also make our clips bigger, making the transition better. And if we see now, the transition has been added. Similarly, we'll add the transition in another clip that will be right here. Take the play hit there and again click on this plus button to add the transition here. Now again, if we play it, we have successfully added a transition in between our clips. And just like that, we have added transition in our CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.